The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.
Every groundbreaking leap that changes the world starts with a great vision and unshakable belief in turning that vision into a reality. It is the belief that the people behind Missiya hold dear to their hearts. Missiya is a Georgian aerospace company designing and manufacturing unmanned aerial vehicles and drones. Today, Missiya's products are redefining industries. Professionals in various government sectors, agriculture, conservation, search and rescue, and energy infrastructure put their trust in Missiya to bring new perspectives to their work and help them accomplish feats safer, faster, with greater efficiency and simpler than ever.
Drone is a smart, unmanned aerial vehicle with a particular mission to fulfill any task given to it. We are in a mission to make unmanned aerial vehicles accessible to everyone. For this, our drones have been adapted to routine, everyday tasks.
Missiya's research and development team works around the clock to keep innovating, trying and testing new products to challenge the status quo. As the engineers say, having an advanced and capable product line requires years' worth of complex engineering, testing and trial, yet in the end, it all pays off. This is M22Q1, codenamed Mimino, Georgian for Eurasian Sparrowhawk. As they say at Missiya, this drone can do anything that one would want from an industrial unmanned aerial vehicle. It resembles the company's vision too. M22Q1 is easy to operate and is highly customizable, making it ideal for firefighting, search and rescue, recreational and corporate operations.
Our drones are equipped with thermographic cameras, allowing us to perform rescue operations in various landscapes, day or night.
M22Q1 is a reliable and durable drone that could be used in the mountains, at sea, over the road or any industrial area and, of course, in the forest. The drone's versatility, of course, is enabled by technology. As they say at Missiya, the safety of the drone is ensured by 360-degree LiDAR and height sensor, ensuring real-time information about the drone's condition and obstacles around it. There is no drone like it in the world, they say.
What makes it different is the flight time, maximum payload capacity and versatility. No other drone is as versatile as ours.
Our drone is equipped with a video tracking system, a cargo delivery system and a loudspeaker, but honestly the only limit to this is our imagination.
Headquartered in Tbilisi, Georgia, Missiya benefits from direct access to the international suppliers and young, creative talent pool necessary for sustained success. These people are pushing the boundaries of what is possible not only in Georgia, but beyond.
There was a public procurement tender in the United Kingdom that we wanted to participate in. It was the spark that enabled us to create the initial concept. We thought about what these drones should have been capable of. We are ambitious enough to participate in public procurement tenders, as our drones could easily compete with others.
Another advantage that Missiya's unmanned aerial vehicles offer to their customers is M-Ground Control, an in-house software programmed to be as easy to operate as possible. Yet with the software comes constant customer support that Missiya's clients receive whenever it's needed.
Another advantage that Missiya offers is customer support and drone repair service that our engineers engage in.
We are responsible for our drones, and if there is anything we have to repair that is due to our fault, we will take care of it. It is not limited to technical support, but includes personal training too.
As for the future, Missiya aims to expand in the Georgian market and launch serial production. Thus, quite soon, Georgia could transform into a regional drone manufacturing hub. With the investor backing up the idea, Missiya's first factory may not be far ahead. As they say at Missiya, this will enable the company to produce more drones and allow many Georgian engineers to fulfill their goals in Georgia and not elsewhere.
The global market for drones is valued at around $20 billion and it is projected to grow by 13% by 2030. It is a humongous industry that Georgia must partake in.
Will there be demand, we would build a factory. This is what we agreed upon with our investor. The only thing we need is tangible demand.
As technology advances, the possibilities for drone use will continue to expand, serving various interests of hobbyists and commercial users.
Our drones are not limited to discovery. We can talk through it and deliver and recover the cargo. We are not sole observers but active participants.
This is a hybrid unmanned aerial vehicle that Missiya's engineers are developing and testing. In a few weeks, it will fly from Batumi to Tbilisi at 85 kilometers per hour. It has 5 engines, 4 of which are vertical thrust engines, allowing the drone to take off vertically without a runway.
It's a prototype that allows us to test particular technologies. The most important is 4G, technology allowing us to transmit video and, in case of emergency, allowing us to take control of the vehicle in real time. Wherever the network is stable, the drone will communicate with us and transmit real-time video.
In recent years, drones have emerged as a breakthrough technology. These unmanned aerial vehicles have created various opportunities in numerous industries, from delivery and surveillance to photography and filmmaking. Drones are redefining how people do things. Their compact sizes and autonomous flight capabilities offer novel viewpoints, allowing data collection in challenging environments. The possibilities for drone use will continue to expand, creating a unique opportunity. It is this opportunity that Missiya is taking upon, a chance worth billions. Yet it is not the money that motivates Missiya. The love of flying in the skies was where it all began. It was a hobby, they say. A hobby turned into a business.
The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.